Two gold bullion coins, indistinguishable in luster, in weight and dimensions, a study in symmetry. One is an authentic American eagle, a treasure worth thousands of dollars. The other is an artful counterfeit with a tungsten core, worth only a fraction of that. Could you tell the difference? Presenting the Coin Cradle, a revolution in mechanical design, purpose-built for the discernment of authentic precious metal coins. Position the coin in its holder, fine-tune the coin cradle to the coin's unique attributes, and then watch as the laws of nature unfold.
What is the secret of the coin cradle? While counterfeit craftsmanship can mirror gold's density, its luster, and even its dimensions, a feat yet to be achieved is for counterfeiters to match the flow of electricity through precious metal coins. Our coin cradle is designed to be an effective measure of this. The cradle uses a pendulum with a powerful magnet affixed as a pendant. Once the pendulum is set in motion, its changing magnetic field induces the electrical current in the bullion coin. These electrical currents drain energy away from the pendulum. We can measure this to distinguish between the highly conductive precious metal coins and the far less conductive counterfeits. By carefully capturing the elegant dance of electromagnetic and gravitational forces, the conductivity of the bullion can be read from the analog dial. The coin cradle is designed to bring you closer to the essence of your bullion, measuring its thickness, its width, its weight, and its conductivity all in one device. No coin collector should be without one.